back to my channel. Happy Thursday. I just got back from Pilates. I showered, I washed my hair. I was running errands all morning for work. I literally felt like a crazy person. What was supposed to be a super quick errand turned into like hours of errands, but I drove by a Trader Joe's and I picked up some gorgeous flowers. So I'm gonna make a little bouquet. I thought this color combo would be really pretty. Also, look what I found. I'm so excited. This is the best smelling lotion. This is Trader Joe's brand, but it's a dupe for the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, the orange one that I'm sure you guys have seen. I got it last year. It comes out once a year, like around Memorial Day. Then Memorial Day came, I never went to Trader Joe's. I totally thought I missed the window to get this, and then when I was there today, they had it on the shelves. So if you missed or thought you missed the Brazil Nut Body Butter being at Trader Joe's, go check your shelves there because they might be there. And then I also got the Brazil Nut Body Scrub. And I got 3 of each because now I know better and I need my yearly supply. I also grabbed these gluten-free muffins. I got these blueberry muffins for the boys, and then I saw they had some gluten-free muffins. These are cinnamon coffee cake muffins. I don't think I've had a muffin since I found out that I had celiac, which was back in October. And when I tell you, like, I'm not being dramatic, it was a euphoric feeling eating this muffin. I ate it right when I got in the car. It was so fluffy and like, I know everybody hates this word, but it was so moist. Like, it's the best way to describe it. It was so good. It was euphoric, truly. Also, guys, Fern got spayed this week. Bogey's being a very good big brother. Fern got spayed and she's so sad. We're on day 3, 14 days in the cone. 14 days. That's a long time. No jumping, no playing, no nothing. And when we have 2 dogs, it's almost impossible. It was so hard when he was neutered and he was only 6 days in the cone. She's 14. That's so crazy. But the girls getting spayed is just a lot more internal, I guess, of a surgery, whereas the males are external. Right, buddy? Remember that? He has so much more energy than her though, so it's honestly not been going terribly so far. We'll see how it goes though. Like I said, we're on day 3. Anywho, I have to run out the door because I'm filming an ad for a dog toy company, so I gotta run to Walmart. Poor worm. Can't play with him. He's already destroying the toy. It's actually holding up really well because he is like going to town on this. I'm surprised it isn't ruined. Fern's new, oh, I think I just called her Worm. That's her nickname, Worm. But Fern's new little onesie came in the mail from Amazon so that she doesn't have to have her cone on, and it's working out so well. And she gets a little ice cream cone. Brody needs an appetizer. He's hangry. Uh-oh. I went and picked up the groceries after I went to Walmart. I had to go to 2 Walmarts to find these dog toys. Finally found them. Came back, finished filming. I filmed with Bogey. I wanted to do it with both of them, but little Fern is out of commish right now. I'm gonna put all these groceries away and then I'm gonna make $1 million spaghetti for dinner tonight. I'll link the recipe below. It's so easy, so yummy. I've showed myself making it before. Brody's mom always makes this and it's so good. That's how I was introduced to it. Let's make it, and then I wanna watch a little bit of Sopranos, and then I wanna watch Love Island. Brody was very excited. Yesterday was Wednesday and there was no Love Island episode, but not tonight. Not tonight. Even though I'm so over this season. They've disappointed us again. Monday. It's a beautiful day. Literally just zoned out. I'm at a minute 30. I don't even know how long I was just zoned out for. Okay, yes, it's Monday. Love Island finale was last night, and our girl Amaya Papaya won, but also like justice for Iris and Pepe. I felt so bad. You could tell that Iris was like shocked that they were 4th place. I was shocked they were 4th place, but I wanted Amaya and Brian or Iris and Pepe to win. And I know everybody loves Nicolandria. The switch up with Nick and Sierra is what like throws me off, you know? Because they were like exclusive. So I'm curious what'll happen once everybody comes home. It's like so exciting when Love Island ends because they all get their phones back and then they're all excited and they're like going on live and their like lives have changed and you're kind of like watching it all happen and then like realize what the fuck is going on. It's so cool. But oh no, I forgot my coffee up there. I don't feel like going up and grabbing it. Fuck it. That's such a bummer. Oh my gosh, wait, I also went thrifting yesterday, which I'll show you guys later. We can go through what I got. But the point of this story, I went thrifting with my grandma and my sister yesterday. And then we went to lunch after, and then we went to the casino just because like it was all kind of in the same area. And we just thought it'd be fun. We're like, let's just go. Like, we'll each have like 40 bucks. We'll play till it's gone, or we win some money. And guys, I won some money. I won like 80 bucks. I won like 120, almost 120. But I put 40 in, so my net pay was like almost 80 bucks. Isn't that awesome? That was so exciting. When I won like that, I was like, I'm done. It was on one machine, and I was like, I am done. We are cashing out and leaving. But it was so fun. I went to Vegas in college, but like we didn't really play games at the casino. I don't know why. I think I played roulette once. I bet like 20 bucks and I lost, and then I didn't bet anymore the rest of the trip. Anywho, it's a work day, of course. I have a very busy day filled with meetings, literally all day, and I forgot my coffee. Lovely. Hi guys. Hi. It's still Monday. I'm in my cute little Aerie set that I wish they would bring back. It's so freaking cute. I love the one shoulder. And then I just got this off the shoulder crew neck from Addicted. And I love it. I've been wanting something like this for so long. I tried to cut like a couple old sweatshirts and do it. It just didn't work out for me. So I finally got one. It's like the perfect thing to wear into Pilates. So I got this syrup for my matcha because also I need to get a new brand of matcha that I like that's like somewhat affordable but still tastes really good and has enough caffeine in it. If you have any recommendations, let me know. This one's just from Amazon. It's actually already sweetened, but I just put a little bit of strawberry syrup. Last summer I was making it with is it Trovani? That's not right. It's some sort of syrup that they use like at cafes. It's the really sugary syrup, but it's just so bad for you. This is really good. It obviously has some sugar in it, but the only ingredients are strawberries, sugar, and lemon juice. So there's none of like the red dyes and whatever else. This is the brand. It tastes really good. It honestly tastes exactly like when I use that really bad sweetener, which I still have no problem using and will every now and then, you know? But I just need a little pick-me-up before Pilates. Like I said, I had meetings all day. I finished my last meeting at like 4:30 today. Very productive Monday. I also went the whole day with no caffeine. I did have an iced tea, but I don't even know how much caffeine is in iced tea. It was like an unsweetened iced tea. I'm gonna pour a little bit of this in. They also make a blueberry one that I wanna try. We're getting burgers tonight. I'm so excited. I'm picking up burgers on our way home. If you're new here, you missed the conversation I had a couple months ago where I told you guys I can't say the word burger. Brody, do you think I say that right? Burger?
You say it right. Sounds like you're trying hard.
Burger? Like I feel like I'm muffled when I'm saying the end. I'm like burger. You say it.
Burger.
Burger.
I feel like I say
It just like is weird to me. Burger. It feels wrong in my mouth when I'm saying it.
Crispy.
Like
R.
Brody sometimes has the crispy R's. He'll be like girls.
Say burger like that.
Burger. But we're getting burgers tonight. Comment below if you have the crispy R's. So are you good with that? And then I want the Parmesan fries, Brody. And that's all. Don't get the mozzarella sticks or anything.
Single patty.
Single patty. If it has crispy onions on it, I don't think it does. But make sure it doesn't. And sub gluten-free bun, of course. Back home from Pilates, and I picked us up some takeout. This is from a place called Mood. If you're local in Rochester or in driving distance, you should try Mood. The burgers are so good. For mine, I have garlic Parmesan fries, and then this is their Papa burger. It has like brisket or pulled pork on it, and I think there's bacon on here too. Yeah. And then Brody got the same thing, but I have a gluten-free bun. He does not. Garlic parm fries. So good. We're gonna watch The Sopranos. I'm also really close to finishing the book that I'm reading, so I want to do that later. I'm starving though. I'm gonna eat, then I need to shower. That Pilates class was so good. It was a great class. I was feeling lazy, didn't want to go, forced myself, and you never regret it. You always feel so much better after. Oh, and then with dinner, we're having Starry's. Have you guys ever tried this? Their Sierra Mist got rebranded to Starry, and they changed the recipe a little bit. It's so good. So good. Like, I like it better than Sprite now. Good morning. Hi, mini microphone. Welcome. I just made my coffee. It's 7 a.m. and I'm going to show you guys what I got from the thrift store. It's Tuesday. I'm posting this video today. If you're watching it, how cool. Literally, it's Tuesday. And if you're watching it on Tuesday after I post, hi, happy Tuesday. I love posting in real time. I used to not do that, and lately I've just been loving it. But posting in real time does have its consequences. Like I missed last week's upload. This summer is just so hard because if like I'm traveling, I literally have Monday through Wednesday to get my new video done. It's just a mess. But let me show you guys what I got from the thrift store. First, I ran into TJ Maxx because like I said, I went thrifting with my grandma and my sister, and it was my grandma's birthday. So I needed to run in and grab her a card. At my apartment, I have a little box filled with tissue paper, wrapping paper, bows, ribbon, gift bags. I have little gift stuffers and thank you cards and some other random cards. And I was looking and I didn't have any happy birthday cards. So I was like, while I was in TJ Maxx, I needed to stock up. They're such a good price, $2.99. Also, the thrift store had a ton of cards by their checkout that were like $1. So that's another great place to get cards at a good price because cards can be so expensive. Like Target, grocery store, they're like $8. It's crazy. These were all about $3, $4. It's my dad's birthday coming up, so I got him this one. I'm kind of obsessed with all of these. Are really cute. And from the thrift store, first thing I got are these silver hoops. They're like a nice chunkiness, but not too chunky. This is definitely the biggest that I like to wear, and they're perfect. And I got silver because I wear gold and silver jewelry and I mix it. So I've been needing some more silver earrings, especially when it's not summer and I'm tan because my skin tone, I have to wear silver in the winter. $1.06. Then I got a mug for my dad because his birthday is coming up, like I said. And it's such a nice big mug. It says Dad Fuel. Cute. Then I don't know why, like I saw this mug and I had to get it. I thought it was so cute. It says that it's from Germany actually. So maybe someone got it when they were on a trip. But this was $2.28. It just has little hearts all over it, and it's just the perfect like normal classic size mug. Then my favorite find, I got I don't even know what this is called, like a lemon squeezer. Do oranges, limes, ideally. So I made a Pinterest board so I could start manifesting what I want to find at the thrift store. I have a friend who's really into thrifting, and she was like, just keep things in mind, saved pins, all sorts of stuff, and then you'll come across these things that you're looking for. So I made a Pinterest board. and I had something like this on here. In a perfect world, I would want this that has like the measuring cup under it, but this is close enough. If I ever find that, the beauty is I can bring this back to the thrift store and keep that one. This was literally $3. How awesome is that? I make this lemon chicken pasta dish, and so I can start using this like immediately. I'll get so much use out of it. It's so cute. Then at the checkout line, I picked up these extra heavy duty soap pads. My sister said these are really good. You can also get them at the dollar store. And I had a pan. The reason I got it is I had a pan that I made French fries in. I actually showed it in my video like 1 or 2 videos ago. I made homemade French fries. They were so delicious, but the oil stained my caraway pan and I couldn't get the stain out. Seriously, it took 30 seconds with these. It was so awesome. $1.99. Lastly, I got a clothing item. It's this turtleneck sleeveless red sweater top. It's pretty thin, so it's good for like the spring and summer. Thought this would be so cute for work. I've been wanting something like this. And this was $5.99. Some of the stuff I got must have been on sale because I spent, I think, $13. Amazing. I'm going to end off this video here. I love you guys. I hope that you guys are having a great week so far. My videos have kind of been all over the place. Like I said, summer is just so crazy. Also, work has been so busy lately. So my videos, I feel like they're just kind of all over the place. I mean, I'm filming my life, but let me know if there's specific things that you guys want to see in my videos that I haven't been doing as much of, or things that you would like me to do. Just kind of like activities for the vlogs. So let me know in the comments. I will love you forever. Go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I've been posting so much more on there. I've been posting on my Instagram story all the time. I love just like chatting with you guys. I hope you have an amazing week. Let's take a second and acknowledge the space that we're in. It's the middle of July. We still have half the summer ahead of us. We're in such a great spot. Take a deep breath. You're doing the best you can. Enjoy yourself. And if you're going through it or struggling with anything, I'm sending you so much love. You're so strong, and you prove to yourself over and over again that you can handle everything and anything that comes into your life because you're here right now. So you always do. I find a lot of comfort in knowing that I can take care of myself. Even when I'm overwhelmed and feel like I can't, I always somehow do. And that in itself is a comforting thought. Anywho, I will see you guys next Tuesday. Bye.